Hello. So here we are back on my island, New York City Fashion Landmarks, where I'm using the City OAR. I do still like this actual island, as I think it'll be a great resource for the audience that I plan on using. Now, as you'll see in front of me here, there are two buildings that I think I could use, because what I'm really trying to focus on is showing this audience New York City fashion landmarks. So the there's a clothing store and a body shop store here that I would like to use those buildings and perhaps change up the names and add some additional information. And if we go a little bit further, I just want to show inside the clothing store, there's an opportunity to add some information as well, and that's what I think I would like to do. So if I can just get on over here and walk in here, as you'll see my avatar, it still looks like a ghost, so I'm trying to figure that out. But as we walk inside the store here, right now it looks like there's just information on actual clothing inventory, but I'd like to use that for a space to grant some information for the students as they come through here. So I'm going to walk back out. Let's see here. Going. Yes. And then same with the body shop, I would like to do that as well. So still getting to learn this and understanding the pieces, but I definitely feel that this particular OAR will be great for my audience. Thank you.